Is your sales team is not performing well, or are you looking to build great sales team? Then this video is for you. For any business growth, sales and marketing plays very important role. We can't ignore anyone also. Here, I would like to share one real life example. For one of my clients, for 3 years, we are doing digital marketing services, particularly search engine optimization. His ultimate goal is, if anyone searches about his product or service, his website need to get top position on Google. So he needs to get calls and mails. That means he needs leads. Finally, within a few months, he got good inquiries, but his billing is very less. Why? Can you give your comment why his billing is very less? One day he called me, Mohan, we are getting good calls and mails for our product and our services, but inquiries are not closing. May I know the reason? I gave simple answer, because you are lacking in sales. Whatever you are getting calls and mails, your team visiting that client directly or not? His answer is, we are not visiting that client. His team simply is sending quotation, that's it. After sending quotation, he is not following that client. In my simple words, sales are nothing but we need to convince our client. Maybe they have price issues or technical issues or other issues. If you visit him directly or you can call directly, you can convince him. Otherwise, it is very difficult to close that inquiry. In this competitive world, each and every lead is very important for us. Really, your client has need. That's why he called you or he mailed you. Otherwise, why he is going to waste his time to call you or mail you? Same like this company, many companies are spending huge money for marketing activities like participating exhibition, connecting seminars, digital marketing activities, etc. In simple, the purpose of marketing ultimate goal is we need to attract people to our product or our service side. Once they reach your product, your sales team need to convince them. If he is not going to convince, automatically you are going to lose that client or that inquiry. As per research, nearly 70 to 75% of sales people are not achieving their monthly targets or their monthly sales targets. There are number of reasons why your team is not performing well. There are number of reasons like he don't like his job. He feels like he doesn't have a good mentor to guide him, or he doesn't have sales skill to convince client, or he is unable to make his daily plans, etc. There are thousands of reasons why your sales employee or your sales guys is not performing well. Really, I am telling you, there are number of solutions are there to your team to achieve their targets. As a sales manager or sales director or business owners, regularly and individually, you need to discuss with your salespersons. Ask him what are the difficulties he is facing in the field, what are the supports he is expecting from your side or from your company's side. Always motivate them and encourage them. Suppose your sales guys got small order, encourage them like you have a good talent, you can reach your target easily. Like that, you need to encourage them. So that is small order or big order, not a matter, but you should encourage them. Then, we know a business owner, you are always busy with your works. You are unable to train your team regularly. Training are one of the most important thing to build a great sales team. What I am going to say here is, yearly once or twice, try to send your sales guys to sales training. They can learn sales techniques and they can implement in the field. As per research, companies who are providing solid sales trainings to their sales team, they see 15 to 20% growth in their annual revenue. Then, arrange sales meeting every month or 3 months once. But that time, don't discuss about sales and targets. Ask one by one what are the difficulties you faced in the last month and how you solved that problem and how you closed that order. Everyone easily give 1 to 3 problems. That solution will helpful to other sales guys. That means they need to share their field knowledge. For each query, end of the session, you should give your solution or answer. Then arrange role play activities. With this activity, you can find your team's strength and weaknesses easily, and easily you can guide them. So what are the weaknesses, how you can support them and how you can guide them to achieve their activities. Then having a strong company culture has always been important, like celebrating employees' achievement, showing appreciation for salespeople on regular basis, and organizing events, celebrating employees' birthdays with the cake cuttings, etc. Then your sales guys will have different learning styles and training preferences. So don't treat and train everyone the same way. Instead, take each individual unique personality into account and adjust your strategy accordingly. This will increase the chances of each of your sales guys performing to their full potential. Then, successful sales managers understand the importance of inspiring their team. Most of the successful companies use inspiration as one of their top sales team management strategies. By helping each salesperson see how successful they can become and motivate them to maximize their potential. Don't discourage discourage them and don't demotivate them. Then always truly showing your gratitude for the hard work of the sales team and recognize accordingly. Then if anything happened negatively because of your sales team, take personal responsibility for what happens. If they achieved anything, give a credit to your team. Then give achievable targets to your sales team. So don't give not achievable targets to any salesperson. So it is discouraging their confidence level. So be careful whenever you are giving targets to your sales people. Then always know about your team individually, what is his strength, weakness, selling style, etc. and truly connect with your sales team. Whenever sales guys feel connected to their sales manager or their boss, they are more productive. Then find out your sales team's barriers to achieve their targets, like fear of being rejected, poor communication skills, poor self-confidence, etc. Then most of the salespeople achieve their targets with the proper planning to visit clients or calling to clients. They have a proper goal, time management, implementing proper strategies to achieve their targets. As a sales manager, you need to guide your sales team how they need to plan their day, how they need to plan customer visits, how they need to plan how to call to customer, and your sales guys have a clear idea of which activities will have good results and which activities generate more leads and sales, etc. A good salesperson doesn't only know about their company's product or service inside and outside, but they are also aware of what the competitors is offering, what is competitor prices, and what is competitor futures in that product or that service. One of the best ways to do this is to have your salespeople complete SWOT analysis for your company by learning your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. As a sales manager, you must make a SWOT analysis for your company and share it to your team. Generally, customers want to know what makes you different from your competitor, and your sales team needs to be able to answer with solid answer. So why your customer need to buy from your side compared to your competitors? And as a sales manager or business owner or sales director, your ultimate goal and responsibilities are achieving your monthly, quarterly, and yearly sales goals. But you can't do it with yourself. Even if you personally worked every day, you must need a professional sales team to achieve your target or your sales goal. My humble request, please don't discourage your sales guys. So most of the companies, they're always discouraging the sales team. If you don't like his performance, just fire him, but don't discourage them. I hope you learned some of the techniques to build a great sales team. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for valuable time to watch this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.